Christmas jumper on. Got my little tree in the background. And I feel very Christmassy right now, so let's get into this video. Now, the title of this video wasn't going to be last minute because I actually made these hampers like a week and a half ago. I just haven't had any time to film. And then I realised these would in fact be really good last minute gift ideas because you can kind of personalise them any way you want and you can kind of fit it to your budget, kind of make something cheap but still personalised, so you're not just buying a gift set or something. And you can kind of do whatever you want with these. So for me, I focus more on cosy, hygiene and beauty. But you can do whatever you want. So if you have a nerdy friend, put nerdy stuff in it. If you have an artsy friend, put art stuff in it. You kind of just do whatever you want with it, and that's what I kind of love about these baskets. I made two very different designs as presents, as one is for my mom and one is for my fiance's mom. And I didn't really want to get her a big basket because at that point I didn't really know exactly what she'd want. And the things that I wanted to get her would be more suited for a smaller thing. His mum's came in at around £10 and my mum's came in at around £15, so it wasn't really a big leap in price. And this does include all the packaging that went with it. For the first hamper, I got a really cheap basket from Pound Stretcher, and there were bigger sizes of this, but I wanted the small one personally. But you can get whatever basket you want. I also bought some tinsel light strips for the bottom of the basket, and I later found out that I could get a hamper set that included paper versions of this, which would have worked out just as well. I just didn't know that was an option at the time. For the basket, I got a wash bag from M&S, and I was really searching for something that was just a wash bag on its own. But this one had two little bottles and I thought it was kind of nice and cute and would work well. And it was impossible to find a wash bag otherwise. Now this was £2.50 and it was on sale and it should have been £5. So, pretty decent deal there. I then got a Lush bath bomb to go in the bag. And my fiance got a crime book from my mum because that's what she likes from the works. And I wrapped that up and put it alongside it along with a bookmark, which I nearly forgot to show. I got a tub of hot chocolate powder and then some cosy socks to finish it off. To wrap it, I found a hamper set in Poundland for yes, £1 that included cellophane, ribbon and the shredded paper I talked about earlier. Quite thick as well actually. I accidentally ripped the cellophane and I couldn't really figure out if I had to undo the ribbon anymore, but for the first time making a hamper, I think it still came out well. And it worked. I then put this in an oversized gift bag so it would survive until Christmas. Total on its own was £13.15. Total including the basket and the wrapping was £14.94. So it was a good gift that it came under £15. And as I said, you can still mix and match to suit your own budget. So even if you do a bigger hamper, you don't have to spend as much as I did. For the second smaller hamper, which I think is more of a personalised gift bag, I got another wash bag from M&S, which was again £2.50, but I got this in a different colour. And the wash bag was kind of the basis for the rest of the presents. In this, I included some Dove body wash, and this one smells amazing, and I know it's a brand that she likes and uses. A reusable Lush bath bar. I was going to get another bath bomb, but I've had a conversation with her before about bath bombs. And while she likes them, she doesn't like that they're only a one-time use. So I thought she'd like this a bit more. And finally, some cosy socks. On reflection, it would have been better to then wrap this in cellophane and then put it into a smaller gift bag. But I didn't really have cellophane at the time and I really didn't think about this until after I'd already given her the present. But for me, because the Dove wouldn't fit into the wash bag, I took it out and then put it next to the wash bag. And then wrap that in normal wrapping like a regular present and then put ribbons and bows on it. And it still turned out pretty great. All in all, it was £9.25, which is great considering the packaging is the present itself as well. I hope this video helped, and honestly, I had a lot of fun making these presents and I hope you do too, and it de-stresses you a little bit during this holiday season. Hope you all have a great Christmas and I'll see you guys soon. Rachel Kane out.